Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon gift card balance without redeeming it. This is incredibly useful when you want to verify the remaining value on your card before deciding whether to use it or save it for a larger purchase. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account with your credentials. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings for the next steps. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Customer Service. This will take you to Amazon's Help Center, where you can access various support options. Once you're on the customer service page, scroll down through the available categories. You're looking for an option that says Payment Methods, Charges, or Gift Cards. Click on this option to narrow down the type of assistance you need. This section is specifically designed to handle all payment-related inquiries, including gift card issues. Next, click on Problem with a Gift Card. This will direct you to a more specific set of options tailored to gift card concerns. It's important to select this particular path as it connects you with the right department to handle your balance inquiry. From here, click on Redeem a Gift Card. I know this might seem counterintuitive since you don't actually want to redeem the card yet, but this pathway is necessary to access the support options you'll need for checking your balance. After that, click on I Need More Help. This action signals to Amazon that the automated options haven't resolved your issue and that you require direct assistance from their support team. At this point, you'll be presented with two options for contacting Amazon support. You can either choose Start Chatting Now for a live chat session, or request a call now if you prefer speaking with someone over the phone. Select whichever method you're most comfortable with. Both options will connect you with a customer service representative who can assist you. Once connected, explain your situation clearly to the representative. Let them know that you want to check your gift card balance without redeeming it. Be ready to provide the gift card number if requested. The representative will guide you through the process and can verify your balance on their end without actually applying the credit to your account. Simply follow all the instructions they provide. And that's how you check your Amazon gift card balance without redeeming it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.